Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick one. I wanted to just do a quick shop card shout out. I got this card, a week or two, probably a couple weeks ago now. And John, I definitely apologize for being so slow to getting this out there for you. But anyway, John over at Law Scale Customs sent me his shop card. Very cool channel. He doesn't have a lot of subscribers, so if any of the people that are subscribed to me are not subscribed to John, get over there and check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description. And yeah, that's that. Yeah, check out his channel. He does some cool stuff over there, guys. And real quick, it looks like I have got 900 subscribers, and I did an 800 subscriber video about a month ago, and I've never, in the 10 years I've been doing my channel, I've never gotten 100 subscribers so fast. Now, probably like last time, I'll post this video and a couple of people will unsubscribe and I won't have 900 anymore, but I just felt like I needed to acknowledge that I've reached the 900 subscriber mark. And honestly, guys, that's 895 more than I thought I'd ever get. I do appreciate you all, and I'm grateful for all the new people that have subscribed, and I'm grateful and thankful for all of my old subscribers that have been with me from early on. But anyway, hope you guys are having a great day. It's Monday, almost over with Monday. And we'll see you all on the next one. Bye-bye.